Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to give my personal findings and analysis to make a great consistent money in one particular stock. Is known as Indiabull Real Estate because there is a great news as well as there is a great scope for this stock to have seasonal trading as well as swing trading as well as micro swing trading as well as to make a fabulous profit for seasonal investment and seasonal trading. So before going to those details, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips platform operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. So we have one trading tips platform is known as Superfans option, in which we give stock option trading tips with entry price, target price and related updates through WhatsApp in live market. The highlight of Superfans option are three kinds of highlights. The first highlight is the working capital is very less, very low, I can say. A sum of 10,000 rupees can be treated as startup working capital that can be used to take a single lot, double lot, triple lot, sometimes rarely after 4 lots in stock option. That is that much of low premium option trading tips and penny level option trading tips in stock option will be given with the entry and target prices. That is the highlight, first highlight. And second highlight is there will not be any loss occur in trading because most of the people used to trade with buy price and target price. In between they used to put the stop loss. We don't do that. Instead of that, we used to employ a safe trading method, so there won't be any loss at all. If there is any adverse situation arises, if there is any loss, that will be very negligible one. And third highlight is in Superfans option, once a person joins the Superfans option, he used to renew the subscription even though we forget to remind them. So because that much of profit level he makes in every not every trade, successful trades, I can say. In Superfans option we give 20 to 40 trading tips in a month. The trading period, the subscription period will be 30 calendar days. The subscription is to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by GPay, Google Pay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number, Bull Street WhatsApp number. So we have only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street and one Vijay. No other person is connected here because beware of fact people who may be reflecting our name in Telegram, because we do not have any trading tips platform, we do not have any premium group, we do not have any VIP group in Telegram. All of our activities are confined only to the WhatsApp and the blog website. So join the Superfans option, make yourself comfortable to make consistent profits. Now we go to the video. So in this video I find this stock Indiabull Real Estate is very attractive. The major reason is most of the mutual fund houses are accumulating this stock, particularly the IDBI mutual fund schemes. So more than few mutual fund schemes, IDBI is accumulating this Indiabull Real Estate stock. So not only that, the Indiabull Real Estate stock is giving a momentum when December and January month and even before next quarter, the Indiabull Real Estate will give a great trading momentum, will give great trading as well as investment opportunities. With respect to the price levels, last time I have seen the ongoing price as 174 rupees. In my prediction, in my target, it may reach to 196 level next level. So disclaimer is purely apply. I am not recommending this stock. And next level it may reach to 202 level and 232 level and 240 and above 240 levels and so on. So one can consider this Indiabull Real Estate as stock for trading, stock for investment, stock for micro level swing trading, stock for swing trading and stock for seasonal money making. So thank you very much. I am Vijay.